Hello. This tutorial is about how to make a tileable texture from a specific floor. If let me say the project manager has some wishes for an individual project and wants to have some specific floor type, and we don't have it in the library. So first thing is always let us choose one. Let me say the project manager send you this floor. Yes. First, let us think, do we have something very similar in the library? So if we have something very similar, we can use it, but it should be good and it should be look really like that. So this moment now, no, we don't have this. So then let us check if the texture is from the quality enough. I know this site, for example, Parkettagentur, there the textures are really great, but sometimes if the client has some floor from another manufacturer, it could be that there are not textures with a good resolution. Then not take a bad resolution, take something similar with a good quality, and then tell the project manager we don't find the exact same texture in the internet in the good quality. We only have something similar. So yeah. But in this way we have something. We copy to Photoshop. Maybe let me show let me show what is the problem if I directly use now this texture. Let me very fastly put in. So you see it now already there. We have a really bad tiling effect, and this is really not professional. So how can we create some very good art from this texture? So I talked with a lot of people if there is some magic tool with one click, but there isn't some magic tool, especially on this wood things and this wood floor things. I mean, if you have some plaster or if you have some fabric or stuff like that, it is much more easy than in this case. So, but in this case we have no choice. So I would propose to do this things. Let us first look if there are some seams visible. No, not really. The boards are very close together. So let me copy as many boards out from the texture as possible. So we have board 1. So this is also the right size of one board. So we should see that every board should be attention. Do not have this. Maybe cut something away from that. We should see that every board has near same widths and same sizes. Board number 2. Yeah, it takes some time. I would say we will spend now around 15 minutes to make some great floor, but it is worth it because we have it on all images visible. So the floor is really important, and if we did it once, we can save it then in the library, and yeah, we have it again in the next project. So there are not thousands of floors, so if we have a good basic, it is then enough. So I will stop it a bit and do it with all the floors. So I have now 5 boards. I will try to make some more. So as I said, the more boards we have, the better. The better and easier will it be to work. So what we do if we have sometimes only some sections like that, we copy the texture maybe a bit over and merge it together, those merge layers, and try to copy it with the stamp tool a little bit and make it, yes, better. So now we can stretch it in the right size. Perfect. This is our board 6, and let's do some last one. To have a good variation. Again here we could not stretch it that much, so we could not stretch it like that. Maybe it is a little bit too much. Simply copy again, stretch this one. You can also flip horizontal and flip vertical maybe sometimes. And again, take this one, just two, and merge layers to one. Click STRG and selection, and with the copy tool, yeah, try to make it tileable again. Yeah, I think it is fine. So now we have 7 boards, all the same lengths. So try to, I mean it is not perfect. We should have about 10 or something like that, but I think we can work with that. So activate the snapping tool, snap, and the automatic selection, and try to, so you can also look again at the original thing. You see the boards are yeah, a bit different in the position. So fine, now try to copy some boards and just take it and maybe rotate it 180 degrees. So and copy it where it has enough space. Only where it has really enough space. So make it a bit longer. Copy A port 6, copy it here, copy the number 7. So I think this is really the maximum widths we should have. So always try to copy it only where it is possible to copy the full texture without resize. So do not copy it, for example, here at the moment, because you see it has to go from left to right. Later we will do that, but then I will show you how we do that. So there is also space here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has a bit of space here, and we can also copy board 4. Here we have a bit of space, 3, 5, 6, copy it twice. So here we have to be a little bit attention that because we start here, we should also copy it here. So yeah, I think so. This is our main board this here, and this on the end there we have yeah, maybe we should only have one start board, not this one. So all other boards will deactivate it. I think we have not more space for full board. So let us select all, copy it, and merge the layers to one element. And those one we put in a folder, make it invisible now, and filter other and offset. So now you can move. You can see you can move the wall texture vertical or horizontal. We do it now only horizontal to bring in this white space. So now we have this white space here, and we can again oops, and we have this one, this again wrong. Yes, now it works. We have this one and copy it inside there. So now you can see if you did everything correct. If yes, there should be enough space for one board. I mean, if there are some little differences, then simply redo it a little bit. Maybe sometimes also deactivate this snapping tool, because then it's easier to work. We need some other floors. So one do. Oh, this one should be fine. Yeah, still two ones are missing. Then we are nearly finished with our individual floor. Maybe not this one. Maybe board 7. And the last one, I think we take 3. Great. Yes, it took a bit of time. Now we are on 15, 16 minutes. Yes, I expected it, but I think it is really worth it. So now we have a great tileable texture. At least let us check it if everything is working. Merge the layers, and let's try again this offset. Yes, as you can see, every offset I do, I have always seamless work. Yes, great. So now simply let's save it as the name was. Yeah, it is okay. Yes, and let's copy the name and let's copy the texture in our texture for modeling folder. So now let's try to copy it. Go simply open the. I save it now. Simply open this floor material test scene. It is saved in the Corona templates. New material test scene is the name, and simply take this one and change only the name of the texture you saved. Go here, also here. Then in the glossiness channel, and okay, again, this was the wrong material. This one, yes, this one. You then later have only. So this is the scene I save. Yes, you have then now only this one here, here. You have to click it on this colorizer and change there inside the name. Same with the bump. The colorizer changes the texture in his appearance. You see it makes it black and white. For the bump channel we have a real black white. For the reflection we have something from gray to white to gray to brighter gray. So like, let us change the size a little bit. mean, you simply have to play from texture to texture. You can also really measure it. So you can also make it look a bit in the preview of the material. You can make it look simply sharper. I think we have this 100 centimeters cube. I think now the tiles are good. Fine. Then let's try to make a render test. And let it compare with this original picture. I think in general we have no more seamless tileable textures. We have a good seamless texture, and I think also the quality of the wood is really great. So it is a bit of work, but in general it is worth to do this kind of work. Also some slightly bump. Yeah, really a good result, I think.